Hello guys, so as you can see here, that's our website here. We are going to move that website to the another domain as it is, okay? And it's really amazing and very simple process to move one website to the another domain. So let me show you a step by step everything how we can do this. So as you can see, this is the whole website. So let me just show you that website. So it's an e-commerce website. You can add to the cart this to product. You can purchase that. You can view the cart. This website have all pages. Okay, now we need to move that website to the domain. As you can see here, solve the blog, this domain have nothing right now. As you can see here, nothing, it's just a hello world. Okay, now how we can move this? So to do this, we need to have access of that website. Okay, so as you can see that I have the access of the 007 website. This is my e-commerce website. As you can see, this one I have access of this website of dashboard. Now we need to install one plugin here. Click on the plugin and just add new, and we need to search here Duplicator. Just search Duplicator and we need to install this Duplicator plugin. As you can see, this one is here. Done. So we need to wait some seconds to install this. Done. Now click on the activate. Done. Now in the left side you'll find the Duplicator in the bottom side. Just click on this, and as you can see here, there is no package right now. We need to click on the create new like this, and now just go to the next like this, and just wait some second. This one is scanning your all files and database. Everything is good. And now let's click on the build option. Now this process is done, our package is built. Now we need to install, or we need to download this both file. We have two files here, one is installer and another one is our archive file. So click on download both file. Okay, and now let's go to the download folder, allow it to download both file at the same time. And let's, so as you can see here, we have one file installer.php and another file is downloading here. So we need to wait some seconds to download it. So as you can see here, the file is downloaded now. Now we have the backup of this website. We have a backup of this website, right? Now we need to move this website to this domain. As you can see, this domain have nothing right now. Let's log into the cPanel of this domain. So I have access of cPanel of this domain. As you can see, this is the cPanel. Now let's go to the file manager here. Okay, like this. Go to the public HTML folder. So if you have public HTML folder like this one is public HTML folder. If you don't have, then you can create it. So as you can see, there is one index.php file. Let me just check the code of this. So code editor, and see hello world is here. Okay, this is the hello world. Done. Now what we need to do, we need to just delete that file also. Okay, just delete this file. Now let's confirm delete. Now you can check your website now. So this will say like some error, think you don't have permission access. Cool. Now this is the blank here, nothing. Now we need to upload the both file that we have downloaded. Okay, so drag and drop just both file, like click on drag and drop and just install or upload both file here. Just upload it and just upload. So as you can see here that we have just uploaded both file. It's backup file and installer file. Done. Now what we need to do here, we need to open our website here. As you can see, solve the blog, this website. So let's open our website here. Okay, so let me just open this first. Let me just show you. As you can see here, this is the forward and you don't have permission, right? Okay, this is done. Now what we need to do, after the domain, we need to use here slash, and then we need to type here installer.php. As you can see, that's a file installer.php. Okay, and then we need to just again enter and see Duplicator is running here. Okay, now we need to wait some second. Okay, so as you can see here, this is database username and password. So what do we need to do, we need to create a database. Okay, and then database username, and then we need to put the password here. So what do we need to do here, we know that we have access of our cPanel. Okay, so go to your cPanel here. As you can see, this is our cPanel, right? Now you will find your MySQL database, this simple. So just click on this MySQL database. Now we need to create simple database here. So how? It's really very easy. That database name, suppose let me just put my website name is blog, so Saurabh and db, or I can just say db. Okay, db blog, this is my database name. Okay, and let's click on create database. It's done, created, right? Now as you can see here, this one is created. We have Saurabh DB blog, this one, and this is the password right now we have. Okay, now we have database and password. Now let's I'll do, just save this password also. So we have the password. Okay, so I'll save this in somewhere like in the URL or somewhere, and make sure this is important. Okay, just save this password like this. Now we need to create a database username. So see username, so you can just say your username and blog. Okay, then select the database. So we know the database is our solve the blog, this one, and the password you can again randomly generate it like this. Okay, and then create MySQL user. Now we have a username, password, and database name also. Okay, and we have the server. Okay, now let's go to the again here Duplicator. Now this will asking us database name. Okay, so what's our database name? Database name is our this one. See, we know that our database name is this one that we have created recently. Okay, now let's go to the Duplicator here and put our database name. Done. Now this is username, database username. So what's the username? So we have created the username here. As you can see, username blog, you will find it here, this one. This is your username. Okay, so let's put this here. Done. Now see the password, valid database username password, database user password. Okay, so make sure we need to password of this. So I think we have saved somewhere this password. Yes, this one. Or you can do one more thing, just regenerate this password again. Okay, and save it. Important. Done. Now let's put that password here. Done. Now see the host. So sometimes we need to just put the local host for most of the cPanel, but sometimes we have to put the server like this. So it's totally depend. Okay, some website, some hosting will tell you to just put only local host, and some hosting will give you the server name. Okay, so if they will give the local host over here, they will not give you the server name, so you just need to just blank it, like just leave it as a local host. Otherwise you need to just replace this like this. Now we need to validate this credential. Let's click on the validate to check this one is fine or not. Database. Okay, so this will tell us the credential is wrong or right. And as you can see here, done. This is validation is passed. See, it means database is passed. Now what I need to do, I need to just click on I have accepted, then next, then okay, and this will extract your website, and that's it. Now your website is live to the another server. Every data, username, password, images, and everything you have shifted to the new domain. Okay, so wait some seconds and let me show you the example here. So as you can see here, just this is the login page. Now you can log in with your previous username and password here. Okay, logged in. As you can see, after you logged in, this site has been successfully migrated, and the all the archive file installer will delete it. Done. So that's the overall. Let me just show you the website here. Let's go to the visit site. Let's see the output now. See, the whole website is done. See the all products and everything, all images and all things, right? So the website that we have moved, this website, as you can see, this 007 website to the new solveblog.com website, right? So we have moved one website to the another website using the Duplicator plugin with very smoothly process. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.